In this video, I will show you how to reset your PS5 controller. So let's jump straight into it. So on your PS5 controller, there are two different types of reset you can do. You can do a soft reset or you can do a hard reset. So to go ahead and do a soft reset, what you're going to want to do on your controller is just go ahead and press the PlayStation button, which is going to open up the control center on your console. From here, all you need to do is press down on your D-pad, and then what you want to do is scroll along to the accessories button, which is just across here. Now go ahead and press X, and you will see your controller. All you need to do from here is go ahead and select your controller by pressing X, and then press turn off to perform a quick soft reset. So if you want to go ahead and perform a hard reset, what you're going to want to do is, if you look at your controller, you want to make sure it's off when you do this, but on the back of the controller, I'm just going to turn my controller around. Now there's actually a very tiny hole. It's just in the middle. I'm just going to try and get this in focus so you guys can see. So if you look closely, you should see this small little hole here. Now what you're going to need is something really small, something like a pin or a toothpick or a cocktail stick, and you just want to go ahead and put that into here. And there's actually a tiny little button inside that hole. So when you go ahead and put something in there, that's going to perform a hard reset on the controller and take it back to the default factory settings. So that's how to go ahead and reset your PS5 controller. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.